Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we will learn how to create more space in your computer. In order to do that, there are a few ways that you can do, and I have made a few lists of these methods. Today we'll focus on part 1, which are mainly focused on external storage because there are many types of external storage that you can buy. Now the first and the oldest type of external storage is a CD or compact drive or DVD. In order to use this, you need to have a CD and a reader. This is how it looks like in a laptop, and some laptop might not have it, and this is how the reader look like, and this is how it looks like in a PC. With a reader and a CD connected to your computer, you can just use it as a normal drive and insert data into the CD, and when you're done, you just have to eject it. Now, moving on to the second external storage type, which are called flash drive or USB drive. This is how it looks like, and it has quite a bit of capacity. You can also see how it looks like in hand. As you can see, it's very small, easy to carry, and some people even use it like as a keychain like this. In order to use a USB drive, all you have to do is open a file explorer and connect your CD USB drive. This is how it looks like, and you can create delayed data inside this USB drive. Let's see how to delete. It's just normal one, and if you want to insert more data, you just have to drag and drop. That's it. That's how you use a USB drive. When you're done, you just have to eject the drive and disconnect it from your computer. Now let's move on to the next external storage type. It is called external hard drives. It works mostly the same as a USB drive, however the size are usually bigger, as you can see here, compared to a laptop, but the capacity is also bigger. Some of them are even more than 10 times the capacity of a USB drive. Now moving on to the next storage type is the memory card. Memory card is even smaller than a regular USB drive. However, their capacity is also smaller. They are mainly used in handheld devices such as your mobile phone or your camera. And then you just have to connect it to your computer using an adapter, which looks like this. And connect it to your computer. And when it's connected, you can use it like normal USB drive or external hard drive. Now moving on to the last type of external storage, which is called cloud storage. In this method, all you have to do is connect your computer to an internet and then go to a cloud storage site. And then after you create your login, you just have to insert the data that you want online, and you can free up a lot of space in your computer. The biggest advantage of this method compared to the other types is because you don't have to carry it around whenever you go. You just have to connect to an internet and you can open your cloud storage device. I believe that's all the available external storage type that you can use. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you.